Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. Today, Powell, our hero, absolutely made the market skyrocket. And, while this speech was so anticipated, I can't say that everything said wasn't already known. So that's what we saw. The markets do not like surprises. What they got today was actually a little bit of a surprise in how dovish the Fed and Powell sounded. If you taper too soon, it won't be good for the markets and for employment. So, we're not going to rush things. We're going to let things play out like he has told us all along. He has said exactly the same thing for over a year now. And every single time he comes to speak, it's more of the same. It's convictions of the monetary policy that they're doing is exactly what he envisioned it to be and to have happen. And, it's been a great thing for the market. As we can tell, we're making all-time highs today. I mean, on a day where the Fed is talking at Jackson Hole, we are making all-time highs. This has just been a remarkable stock market that, yes, it was helped out by the Fed. But, we do what we do as day traders and we take advantage of these things, right? That is our job, is to notice things and take advantage of them in the short term. There's swing trading also that can be a little bit more long-term, and then there's long-term portfolios. I'm more of a day trader. I like to get in, I like to get out, I like to take my profit where I can, right? Getting in, getting out really quickly for scalp trading is what I do and what I do best. So it works for my personality. It might not work for everybody else's personality, but look at this FOMO, okay? Literally, 2 minutes after I sold this stock for a $241 gain, which was good. I was totally happy with this, totally happy with these 3 trades that I took. I took the first scalp, like we love to do, right from VWAP, right from the 9 EMA, took a nice scalp here. I let it pull back. You know what? Let me just zoom in on this side, because what's happening is that big price move is, artificially showing the chart all screwy. So here we go. This is the zoomed in trades for you guys. If I can do this. Okay. Seeing 7 a.m. SPRT. Realizing the gravity of a stock like this. It is a meme stock. These stocks have been absolutely killing it when you could get the momentum behind it, and when you could get these things to short squeeze. They can be extremely give really, really big moves and extremely powerful. Look at this. So this is what I'm talking about. I sold here at 32.76. The next 1 minute bar, it went up to 35. And then a few minutes later, all of a sudden I left $2,000 on the table. So just crazy, crazy momentum. Now, I had drawn a trend line out here, and I was saying to myself, If this trend line breaks, I am getting long. So that's what happened right here. On this candle, I got long because I saw it break the trend line. I had to sit in a little pain. This tiny little pain right here, that is what stops some weak hands at the table and forces them to sell, even though you're over VWAP. You don't want to take a stop when you're over VWAP and you're holding up a massive move like this. So I held it, and then it ripped through previous highs, which was right here. It was struggling a little bit right there to get through the 50 level. Once it did, though, maybe I should have taken a third of my position off and let the rest go. But who's ever to know when these are going to just do this? This is absolutely phenomenal momentum. So the reason why, and at this time now, we run a Discord. If you're not already in this Discord, come in, it's free, join it. It's a great group. But in Discord, I would say up around this area, we were seeing a lot of messages, from different members saying, I feel FOMO, I want to get in. I implored people to not get FOMO. It is so important to not, fall victim to FOMO, because look what happens after that. Price falls all the way down to $30. If you're somebody that chases FOMO, all of a sudden, if you don't stop out on this red candle 2 minutes later, you are in for an account blowing up situation that you want to avoid. Do not chase this. Don't chase it. I don't care if you miss out this one time. Do not trade that way. You have to just, when you see parabolic momentum like this, if you're not getting in and out within a split second, do not sit and hold these for too long, because this flush right here from 55 to 45 is a 10-point flush in 2 minutes. That's not good. This hurts accounts right here. So, the better thing would be to wait for a pullback, let price start to base out, right? And then maybe get long here. Wait until it bases out. And that's actually what I did. Where did I do that? Around here, I did the exact same thing. I waited for price to come back down. I didn't chase the move. I got in at a better price, and then I let the move, happen. Listen, $241, I'm not going to complain too much, but seeing this happen right after I sold, it's tough. But I have to say, I did a good job by not falling victim to FOMO and giving back all of my gains and being somebody that somehow lost money on a stock that was over, up over, I don't know, 200% at the time. So that's it. I don't like to chase that type of thing. So today we finished up $316 of profit. I scalped the E-minis a little bit. I got 1.5 points off of that. Could have done way better on that, but my focus was this, and my focus today was also the Jackson Hole meeting and listening to Powell speak. I wanted to hear what he had to say. So that's it. We are going to continue to see a very accommodating Fed, and we should just keep taking advantage of it until there's nothing else to take advantage of. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video today. Hit the thumbs up for the video if you did. And if you're new, subscribe. We have videos every day, all about day trading and what we see in the markets. current events and, momentum stocks, overall market, futures, options, you name it, I do it. So that's it. Take care, everyone. I'll see you back on the next one.